guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jagvashini. How have you all been doing? I'm having a super crazy week for which I had to miss putting up a video last week. It might be that you did not miss me at all, but even if you missed me a little bit last week, then I'm really sorry. I miss saying hi to you guys as well. But trust me, it's been super busy on the home front currently. I promise you that I'll see you every week at least once. If I manage to stick to my schedule this month, then you will see me at least twice every week as always. However, what happened in the past 1 week while I was away was that we reached 4,000 subscribers, which means, wow, which means 4,000 real people, 4,000 of you. You know, I remember when I had reached 500 subscribers, it was a huge milestone for me. And that was my Body Shop Fuji Green Tea Shampoo review video. And there also I said that, you know, even though in the number game in YouTube, 500,000, 2,000 doesn't mean much when people have millions of subscribers. But whenever I think about 500 subscribers, to me it feels that these are, wow, 500 real people. And in my school, there weren't even 500 people in one class. And now there are 4,000 of us in our channel, and it just is crazy. And I'm so thankful to you guys for each and every one of you who have chosen to subscribe to my channel, who have chosen to extend their unending support towards me by watching my videos, liking them, sending supportive comments, appreciating my hard work. You guys have no idea how much each one of your comments makes my day, how much, you know, whenever I could answer a question of yours and it helps you in some way. It absolutely gives me such a sense of fulfillment, so much joy, and it just makes me so happy. I don't know why 4,000 subscribers seems like such a huge deal, but it does. And you seriously have no idea how much happiness you guys give me by subscribing to my channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to switch on the bell icon after you have hit on the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Now in today's video, I'm again going to talk about something that you guys want me to talk about, which is my favorite products from The Body Shop. Now, if you are a returning viewer and a subscriber, you might already know that I have reviewed a lot of products on my channel from The Body Shop. So a lot of times, so many of you ask me that, you know, which are my holy grail products from the brand. But seriously, where is my Body Shop sponsor? High time they sponsored me, you know, seriously. You know, one of you know how to reach out to The Body Shop PR. Please let me know in the comment section down below. On a more serious note, in today's video, I am going to talk about my top 5 favorite products from The Body Shop. So, how are these my favorite products? Now, why I'll be mentioning these 5 products is because, firstly, these I feel is somewhat universal, even though I always say, and I'll say it here as well, each of one of us are different in our very own, very beautiful way. Each of our skin and hair are different as well. However, I somehow felt that these are products that are going to work more or less well for a lot of you. So that is one category. So it's not like it is just going to address a specific problem. Second category is all of these are kind of affordable compared to the prices of other Body Shop products. In my channel, affordability is always a very important issue. Sometimes the Body Shop products have really wow prices, but these are kind of affordable. So with these 2 factors in my mind, I'm going to start with my video today. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, my first favorite from The Body Shop is their shower gels. Now, they retail for Rs 345 for 250 ml of the product. I think these are great value for money shower gels. I have used a lot of types, but among all the types that I have used, the British Rose shower gel from The Body Shop is my absolute favorite. Now, when I'll be showing you the products, you might see that the bottles are almost empty, and you will know why I say that these are, you know, my absolute favorite product, because I myself use them a lot, and I never ever recommend products that I have not used on myself for a considerable amount of time, and I don't review products just for the sake of reviewing. So yeah, as I was at, I love the shower gels, and there are a few reasons why I do. Firstly, they're super long lasting. Like, one bottle lasts me at least 1.5 months if I use a lot of quantity. And I also love the shower gels because they make you feel squeaky clean, they lather easily, yet they do not rip off the moisture from your skin. Your skin feels really moisturized. But you might have a question that, you know, if I buy the British Rose body wash, will the smell link me for a long time? No, the smell does not linger on for a long time. For a max half or to, you know, for an hour, depending on your body chemistry, but it does not last, at least on me, for more than that. But despite that, I love the feeling when I use the body shower in the shower. See what I did there? And I just love it so much. So that is my first favorite product. But even then, if you feel that 350 rupees is a bit too much for spending on a body wash, I really like the body washes from Dove. If you want to know which is that particular body wash that I'm using right now that I love so much, and I alternate that with the Body Shop one, then you should see my Nykaa haul video. I'll have the link up here and in the description box down below. So don't forget to check the description box out, because trust me, there are a lot of informations in the description box that sometimes you guys ask me and they're already there. Now moving on to the second product. I just feel, this is one product from the Body Shop that does not get enough love, and that is the Body Shop hand cream. For the longest time I was under the opinion that hand creams are a wastage of product, because I myself am a fan of products that can be used in multiple ways, in more ways than one. So the moisturizing cream that I use, I always used it up as a hand cream, and I still believe that. However, I'll tell you why the hand creams are my absolute favorite. Firstly, so because of this pandemic, हाथ धो करके हमारे, I keep on saying this in my videos for the, I think, last 2-3 months, but yeah, I keep washing my hands, and when my hands become so dry, with the hand washing, hand sanitizer, hand spraying and all of that. So I have realized that hand creams are a convenient option to carry in your bag, and the Body Shop hand creams are really moisturizing. They're super long lasting. Unlike the body wash, their smell actually lingers on. My favorite hand cream is the strawberry one. It just smells oh so nice. And you just need very teeny tiny pea-sized amount, and the packaging is super hygienic. It comes in this tube packaging. So I just love the hand creams from the Body Shop, and this is one product, I just feel people do not talk about a lot. So yeah, my second favorite is their hand cream. My third favorite, even though I said that I'm not going to talk about I'm going to talk about products that have an universal appeal. I'm not going to talk about products that are very specific problem targeted. However, I am going to talk about this product because I just somehow feel if I do not talk about this product, it will be doing injustice to you guys, because you've clicked on this video wanting to find out about useful products from the Body Shop, and when it comes to talking about useful products from the Body Shop, I just cannot but mention this product. Now, if you do not know that gingers are very good for dandruff and hair fall causing from dandruff is a huge problem for so many of you. In that way, it kind of makes it universal. And my third favorite is the Body Shop Ginger Shampoo, which is the anti-dandruff shampoo. I have a full video dedicated to this shampoo. I have mentioned it in my all the Body Shop shampoos reviewed video. I have mentioned this in my Body Shop shampoos for hair fall video. I recommend you to watch all of them for detailed reviews, specific reviews and all of that. But I'm going to say this: if you have dandruff, you should buy this shampoo, and Body Shop should really start giving me a commission for the number of ginger shampoos I've sold, raving about them in my video because seriously, so many of you guys said that it has helped you, and I'm just so happy that it did. My fourth favorite from the Body Shop is their lip balms, and my current favorite lip balm is the Cocoa Butter Lip Balm. Again, I feel that while talking about the really expensive, huge products, specific targeted products from the Body Shops, most people do not talk about the really useful small products that are affordable, but they work great nonetheless. And one such product is the lip balms from the Body Shop. I just love it. I am a lip product freak. I use a lot of lipsticks, and I feel that the Cocoa Butter Lip Balm is so hydrating. It comes in a tube, super hygienic again, and when you apply a very matte liquid lipstick in your lips, it just stays. It's great for, it doesn't make your what the chipchipahat hoti. Lip balm doesn't leave you with any of that feeling. It's super hydrating for the coming winter months, and I'm going to highly recommend it because it's super affordable as well. Moving on to my final favorite out of my 5 favorites from the last product that I'm going to talk about is the aloe vera gel from the Body Shop. Now again, if you're not new to my channel, you know my love for aloe vera gels. Now I have an in detailed review of this particular aloe vera gel from the Body Shop, where I have compared it with what is probably the most popular aloe vera gel in the Indian market, and I have told you why I like this aloe vera gel so much in that one. So yes, why I love the aloe vera gel from the Body Shop, even though it is not really affordable, it retails for rupees 16.95, but I love the watery texture of the aloe vera gel. I love that it is non-sticky. It doesn't have a very strong smell, which a lot of aloe vera gels in the market I've found that they have really strong smell, and again, I do not like products that have a very distinctive strong smell. It gives me a headache. So I love that, and I love the fact that it is super long lasting, and I also love it that you can use an aloe vera gel in more ways than one, and I have a video where I've shown you in which where you use the aloe vera gel in a lot of ways. So if you do happen to buy this aloe vera gel and do not just want to use it as a moisturizer, watch that video. It is going to help you have the best out of your money and use it in more ways than one. I'm going to give you the best return on investment. But yeah, I love aloe vera gels. I think they are great moisturizers for sensitive skin, and the Body Shop one is exceptionally good. And when you realize how long it lasts, it kind of makes sense why it costs so much. However, I really want to try the aloe vera gel from Innisfree because I have seen that the quantity of it is a lot as well. I'll probably make a review and a comparison video between the Body Shop aloe vera gel and the Innisfree one. Again, if you do not want to spend a lot of money on one particular tube of aloe vera gel, like it is almost 1700 rupees, I know it's quite a lot, then I'm going to recommend you the aloe vera gel from Fab India. It is really good. The Innisfree one costs half than the Body Shop. I haven't used it yet, but when I do, you are going to definitely see a review of that one and a comparison between of that with the Body Shop one on my channel. But to make sure that you do not miss out on that video, don't forget to switch on the bell icon after you have hit the subscribe button. Even if you're subscribed to my channel, please see that whether you have the bell icon switched on and whether it makes a ting noise after you have switched it on. And that's it with today's video, you guys. I really hope that you found it helpful. Again, a big thank you and a big hug for 4,000 in our YouTube family. I love you so much. The like button and tell me in the comment section down below which is your favorite product from the Body Shop. Which product do you want me to review next? What kind of videos you want to watch from my channel? So that we grow even more. And whether you find my videos helpful, I really hope that you do. I'll see you very soon, promise, on my next video. Until then, take care, take very good care of yourself. Don't forget that, and those around you. Bye guys.